As a result, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is proving to be an intriguing update. We recently learned that Samsung is planning to incorporate the newest generation AMOLED on the S24 Ultra. And what's more, this screen is not only better than what's found on the S23 Ultra, but also better than the impending iPhone 15 Ultra, which is expected to be released in less than 3 weeks. We had no idea anything about this screen at the time, but now we have some astounding details that will undoubtedly blow your mind. This year, Apple took the lead in display brightness on phones, with the iPhone 14 Pro Max having an improved display than the S23 Ultra. It was the first time in history that Samsung handed Apple a superior display than their own flagship phone. Thankfully, that is not the case with the S24 Ultra, since it not only exceeds the 2000 nits barrier, but also achieves some insane numbers. According to this source, Samsung S24 Ultra has consistent bezels and a peak brightness of 2200 nits. 2200 nits is already far superior to the S23 Ultra's 1750 nits. However, Ice Universe adds that the brightness is actually significantly higher. He didn't give a number, but the original poster later stated that the M13 display used on the S24 Ultra can reach 2800 nits, which is simply insane. Actually, I don't think they go that far because it's insane, but 2500 nits appears to be a possibility at the present. If it happens, it will set a new global record. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, by the way, is likely to retain the same 2000 nits of brightness as its predecessor. There are no surprises in the storage settings of the S24 Ultra. The phone will be available in 3 sizes: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. It is identical to the S23 Ultra. The batteries of all S24 models then appeared at a Korean certification site, revealing their capacity. The S24 Ultra will have the same 5000 mAh battery as the S23 Ultra, while the S23 Plus will have a 4900 mAh battery, up from 4700 on the S23, and the normal S24 will have a 4000 mAh battery, up from 3900 on the S23. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.